Hey guys, today I'm going to be walking through how to fix your microphone not working on your Samsung device. Let's jump right into it. So guys, if your microphone is not working on your Samsung device, it could be a couple of things. But it's either going to be a software issue or a hardware issue. I'm going to go over all the fixes that will fix your microphone if it is a software issue. So the very first thing we're going to do is just hold our power button and then click the restart button just to restart our phone. That is going to be our first solution. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. If it doesn't, we can do our next solution. So the next thing we can try is just pull down our drop-down menu, and then the top right hit the gear to go into settings. And then we're going to scroll down and go into apps. And now we're going to find the app that our microphone is not working on. I'm going to assume it's typically going to be the phone app. So I'm going to scroll down to the phone. So we'll click on the phone app. And then once we're here, we're going to hit for stop in the bottom right and awk, and then we're going to click on storage. And then we have two buttons here, clear cache and clear data. We're going to hit both of those. So clear cache, clear data, hit OC. If it's not, there is another thing that you can try, and that is to go back into apps, and then the top right hit the three circles, and then we're going to click on Permission Manager. And now that we're in Permission Manager, we're going to click on Microphone. And basically what this is going to show us is just the list of apps that have access to our microphone. And obviously, if the app you're trying to use with your microphone does not have permission here, you need to enable it such that the app can use your microphone. So let's say I need to enable it on my Messenger. I would click on Messenger and then just click Allow and then go back and then try my call again. Now, guys, if any of that didn't work, it could be possible that your phone is trying to use a different microphone than your internal microphone. So I would disconnect any Bluetooth device that is connected to your phone because it could be trying to use the microphone on the Bluetooth device. Also, if you have a headphone jack or like if you wear earbuds, typically I would try taking the earbuds, inserting the headphone jack and taking it out and just trying that a couple of times because your phone could be trying to use the headphones on the earbuds, even though they're not actually plugged in, but your phone thinks they're plugged in. So if you could plug it in and out a couple of times, that could fix your problem as well. Now, guys, if you try all these solutions and none of these things work, it is highly likely that your microphone issue is not software related, but rather is actually hardware related. So at that point, I would definitely have either sent it in to Samsung or take it to some sort of a repair shop, a technician, so that they can look at it and resolve your issue more thoroughly. But thank you guys very much for watching. I hope one of those solutions helped you out. If it did, you can leave a comment in the comment section below, or if you have any suggestions for us, any questions or any topics that you'd like us to cover in the future on the channel, you can leave those in the comments as well. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Of course, it's much appreciated when you guys do that, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.